wheels start to make sense. Blue and spoke back there. Put the blue on the inside there. This is the sprocket. It's a 3-inch wide sprocket on the back of this. It's a considerably wide sprocket. Hides a lot of the. You can see the artwork through it. The other side, and you can see the artwork through it. This is what we got. A lot of detail and a lot of crap to make it dizzy. Lug nuts have all been torqued down to 80 pounds. It's recommended by the manufacturer. Not to use a fucking impact gun. I took it easy and went from 50 to 60 to 70 to 75 to 80. And it's looking good. It's coming together. Pretty funny that that goes on a motorcycle. Oh, it's assembled, minus the swing arm. These pieces go inside the swing arm and lock onto the swing arm. That's and the adjustments to get the rear wheel aligned and tension on the belt. But the all together, all the bolts have been torqued down to spec. The only thing has to happen now is I remove this axle nut and just tape on stuff to protect it. Nothing rubs, because nothing will rub once it's fully assembled, but a part like this, if it's full rub. Pull this bolt out, pull the axle out, throw the swing arm in, put the spacers inside the swing arm. This locks down onto the swing arm. This adjusts the wheel back. Pull it back for adjustment. Tension on the belt and everything, lock everything down. Everything's been torqued to spec. Everything's got brand new seals and bearings and everything in there. We're ready to rock and roll. There's a lot of hardware here, a lot of work. But it's ready to go right on the swing arm and the swing arm bolts to the bike. Swing arm bolts to the bike, and the only thing that connects this rear tire is this belt to the primary drive on the rear of the transmission. Good to go, ready to go.